Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Volkswagen Cheddar of 2014. This vehicle has a problem with check engine on the dashboard and EPC lights. Apart from that, it loses power when you're driving. Then it has high consumption, fuel consumption. I'm using my diagnostic machine Thinker to identify the main cause. So the engine has 4 fault code. The electronic central electric has 6 fault code. So this is the main fault code P0016, which is crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor, bank 1 sensor A. Then we have P0300, which means multiple cylinder misfire. Then we have P0304, which is cylinder 4 misfire. Then we have P0130A hide cylinder. Those are the 4 main fault code. According to this code, I'm going to search through Google so that we can know more about those fault code. I'm going to start with P0016. This, according to the Google, it indicates that if there is a misalignment between crankshaft and the camshaft position sensor, timing misalignment or dirty camshaft sensor, that one we are going to confirm. Another code is P0304, which is misfire 4 detected. According to this fault code, let me show you. It indicates that there is a problem with misfire 4, can be nozzle, ignition coil number 4, open or short circuit on the wire between the ignition coil and ECU, can be ECU itself or sometimes compression. So symptoms, we have check engine light on the rough, idling, power, the same issues. So we are going to number the last code, which is P0300. This code can cause by many things. The first one is spark plugs, ignition coil, or nozzles, or insufficient fuel can cause that type of code. Another thing is the oil deposit on the spark plug, inside the spark plugs. Another thing is water comes from the car wash, that can cause that code. So I'm going to open the cover so that we go straight away to the camshaft position sensor. That's the first code we are going to deal with. So this is the camshaft position sensor. I'm going to open this sensor so that we see if there is small iron particles on this sensor can cause that code. But many cases, that is the main problem. See, there is some metal on this sensor. That small metals can cause misfire because of that misinformation. Can trigger that code P0300. So I'm going to clean that sensor so to make sure that it is clean without iron particles on the tip. See, it is clean. Let me install back. So right now we have done with P0300 code. So we are dealing with P0300. Right now we are done with that code. After that, we are going to another code we called multiple misfire. So that one we need to make sure all the coils and all the spark plugs are out so that we identify the main problems. See, this is the spark plugs. Look at that coil. So the main problem is water. Look at that coil. We have deposit of water, corrosion. So that one can cause multiple misfire. So we need to clean each and every coil with chalk cleaner so that we remove that corrosion that has been caused by water. So we need to make sure all the coils are okay, all the coils are clean. the most affected ones. After that, we need to make sure the oil deposit or water moisture on the cylinder head. This is how we do. Then we clean some carbon deposit on the plugs to make sure everything is dry and clean. That one will help the performance and will eliminate that code P0300, which is the multiple misfire. I told you from the previous video that you don't have an excuse to say that you don't have material, don't have tools. You use what you have to make sure everything is working the way it's supposed to be. So I need to make sure all the plugs are tight like that. Right now we are done with that P0300, which is multiple misfire. So we are going to the another code, which is cylinder 4 misfire. We have a broken pin, so we are going to repair that pin using super glue like that to secure that pin so that it remain intact. After that, we are going to use the tape, the masking tape, to make sure that we secure that pin. I think now we are done with all those four fault code. The first code, camshaft position sensor. Then we have multiple, which is P0300. Then we have the last one is P0304, which is cylinder 4 misfire. There was a broken or open circuit somewhere. I have shown you. So this is how you deal with those fault code. I think we are done with that code. The last code is caused by those three codes. So we are going to clear on the system using the diagnostic machine so that it will eliminate the hide cylinders. So I think everything is done the way it's supposed to be. So we need to cover everything like that. Let me put ignition on. So I'm going to quick erase this code like this. You want to clear the code like that. Then are you sure you want to clear all the CC4 memories? Yes. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Right now, clear fault memory complete. Everything is clean right now. No engine, no transmission, no brake. Everything is okay. Now the engine is running. No any fault code on the dashboard. Let's see. The engine is running very soft. Even in the diagnostic machine, we don't have that fault code. See, the engine is okay, transmission, brake system, and climate. So everything's working the way it's supposed to be. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.